Okay, so the first thing to do is go to Canva. Canva is really easy to use, so don't be scared. It's loading. So this is where it brings you to once you've signed up and you've um, signed in, right? You download the app, you click on it, and then it brings you to this page. So you come to the search bar and type LinkedIn header, and then you search. So you see, it has presented lots of options for you to choose from. So let's say I want to pick this one, for instance. So we are going to redesign. Any one you pick is just for you to redesign it to your taste. So looking at this, I don't really like this header, so I'm just going to alter a lot of things. So anywhere you click on, you would see that a purple border envelopes it. So if I want to edit the whole of this template, that is to change the color, all I need to do is click on color. Since I tapped on this, it's highlighted, and looking below my screen, you see I have different options. I have replace, color, animate. So I have to just click on color. It takes me to different color palettes I can choose from. So I'll just have to try out any color that I want. Okay, I think I like the blue. Okay, let's go back to blue. So if I want to reduce, if I want to change the the shade of blue to another, all I need to do is scroll down, sorry, and then come here to this color with a plus sign. So I'm clicking on that. Then I'll see a circle I can just use to, move around, play around it until I get like the color I'm looking for. So let's say I want this. Okay, this is nice. Then I go out from here and click on, anywhere you click on this template, it's editable. Once the purple header comes up, just know that it's editable. So this is for this. Then I'll click on the name. I don't like the font. So you see that as I clicked on the name, it brought out like a different set of options: edit, font size, color, and all of that. So I'm clicking on font. Let's change it. So there are lots of fonts to choose from. Okay, I think I like this one. You can tap on any one, you'll see to change. Okay, this is looking better, so let's go with this one. Yeah, then you see that this graphic designer here is my title, right? Since I'm not a graphics designer, I could change it to something else. So clicking on that is highlighted, means that I can change what is written. Let's say project manager, right? Then I can also change the color of this because it's looking like it's not visible. So remember, once you click on any place on this template, it's editable. And since I want to change the color, I just have to scroll to where color is and change it. Let me use white. Okay, it's visible with white now. So changing this to changing this image to a picture, right? We just have to select a picture we want to use, because your header is supposed to have your name, your title, at least your email address, So, okay, before coming to the image, let's add the email address here. So all I need to do is come to this plus sign at the bottom left of your app, click on it. Then you see that it brought out different options at the bottom of your screen. So I'm searching for text. Click on text. Now these are like different types of text I can choose from. So I'm just going to select one so that we move on. So I'll select this. Now it's here. So since I don't need it engaged, I will delete that because that's not the kind of text I'm looking for. So yeah, you bring this down here and edit this to something else. Let's say my email address. Press Joe. Yeah, so that's it. You can see. Then you just move this to where you want it to be. Yeah, project manager. Then this can be here. Ungroup this, and yeah. So you see. The next thing to do, this video is getting long, I'm sorry. So since you want to add like a mail icon to show that this is your Gmail, you come to that same plus sign below your app and you click on elements. You go to search bar and type email icon. Then it takes you to like different icons you can choose from. So I'm just going to pick this one and it's here. I can actually change the color of this to suit what I want. I click on color. Let's change it to white. Yeah, this is nice. So you just use your hand to adjust it to where you want it to be, right? This can be a bit worrisome when you're using your phone, but now we've gotten it to where I want it to be, so it's fine. Now we go back to this image. Now if I want to add any image to my header, I had to replace. You see that I brought out gallery, uploads, photos, videos. So I can choose from my gallery, right? And then you select pictures you want to use, or I can decide to click on uploads because I've done like lots of projects and some of my pictures are here. So let's say I want to use this picture, right? So you see the header is ready and there you have it. After this is done, you can go to the top right of your phone and click on download. You click on the icon with an arrow facing up, click on it and it's going to take you to download. So I click on download, right? I don't want to download this, but then you click on download and it's done. You would see that it's saved in your what's it called, your gallery. So that's for the header. Let's leave this place and come to let's leave this place and come to LinkedIn carousel. So the same thing, you just search for LinkedIn carousels and search. Different options will surface, so you just select the one you want. Let's do let's click on this one. Okay, so it depends on what you want to talk about. If you want to talk about skincare, for instance, all you need to do is, okay, how to better manage you. This is actually very nice. It is a good topic you can talk on. How to manage your energy, you see. So you can do like you click on this if you don't want to talk about energy. You click on how to stay positive. To stay positive. And remember that you can change this font size or font type by clicking on fonts, right? And because I don't like the way it is, I can change that to anything I want it to be. So yeah, this is better. Then I can also increase the size. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this is this. Okay, so you now come here and add text, because this is like you have to expand on your title. Your title is how to stay positive. You just have to expand on your title. This video is getting long. Okay, so I want to add a text. So all I need to do is go to the plus symbol at the bottom left of your screen or your app. Click on text. Let's go to that same one I chose earlier. Then we bring it here. We change the color because you see it's on a white background, so you can't see anything. So you just click on black. You see? Now it's out. So what you need to do is edit this text and type what you want. You can say, okay, before you edit this, just try to ungroup this so that you stop having like extra boxes in your face. You understand? So you click on this and you edit to stay positive. Positive. um Meditate, start your day with meditation. Kumar, start your day with meditation, right? So this is like you expanding or giving tips on how to stay positive. You can move this to the right and change the font size and increase the size as well to what you want. Let's try this, and let's go to font size, increase this bit, right? You see? So this is done for this. And remember, to change this image, you can actually change this to meditation since you're talking about meditation, right? You just click on the image and go to replace. You click on replace and you go to photos. You type on meditation because your picture has to depict what you're saying. So type on meditation. Now you see lots of pictures of meditation coming out. So all you need to do is select one. Right. So there you go. It's here already. So this is in line with whatever you're talking about. So the next thing to do is apply the same thing to all the carousels. You can just change this as well to the topic, which is how to stay positive. Let's look for, remember that any font size and any title or font type you use, you have to implement it for all of the headings, all of the titles, so that your work looks beautiful. So let's go to fonts. Let's see the fonts we chose for you to see that you find a good sign, a tick sign by the side. So we use Hatton. So we make sure that we use Hatton for the next one. Let's check the size, 58.6. So coming here, how to stay positive, how to stay positive. So the font size, first of all, is 58.6. Yeah, and then the font type is Hatton. Yeah, so we are moving this good. We're expanding this, just drag. Yeah, so this is it. You implement the same thing. You go to the add sign, click on text, the same thing. So it's just like you giving out tips on how to stay positive. So this box is where you write out um the tips on how to stay positive, right? Because that's the message you're trying to pass with your carousel. So just make it very engaging and straight to the point, concise and straight to the point. Having a bad day, or let's say having a bad day. Here are some of the things you need to do. Here are some of the things you need to do to stay positive. right? So this is me typing, and I just have to drag this right to the center and to where I want it to be. Then I can also increase my font size. Okay, reduce this a bit. Okay, so let's swipe and see what fonts we use, what font type we use. Okay, Algria. Okay, so swipe back to implement the same type of font type Algria. Right, so you see it's uniform. So if you don't want this picture because it doesn't tell us what we are talking about, we can just tap on it and go to replace and go to photos and search positive, right? Positive. Let's see the pictures they will bring out. So it's just for you to think out of the box, you know. So yeah. Mm, if you don't see any picture you see with Pro, it means that you cannot use it because you have to pay, right? So we look for the ones without um the Pro icon. So let's say I'm using this, or if you don't want to choose from Canva, you need to just go to your Pinterest, download an image from Pinterest that shows or talks about positivity. So this is it. This is catchy, how to stay positive, and so see, like that. The same thing you do for the rest until you've passed your message. Then after that, you click on the icon with an arrow facing up, click on download. Then you select the type, you select PDF since it's the carousel you're working on. You choose PDF standard, then you click on download. I'm not downloading this, so that's how you do it. And then you find this is stored on your phone in your PDF file. So once you want to upload, let's say you want to upload it now, you go to your LinkedIn and you click on post. You go to add documents, choose a file, you choose the PDF, right? And then you add a caption, how to stay positive, for instance, to stay positive. So this is like this is different stuff, but then this is how it comes, right? You just keep swiping, then you click on next, you then write your post and you post. Easy breezy. So discard. Okay, so that's how to do this, and let me know if you have questions.